Hey Techxplorers, welcome to the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in tech innovation. Whether it's groundbreaking gadgets, futuristic devices, or cutting-edge technology, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore, review, and uncover the secrets of the tech world, bringing you everything you need to stay ahead of the curve. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our exciting adventures in technology. Let's get started. We're about to take your living space to the next level with an incredible piece of technology, the Opula Smart Coffee Table. This isn't just any coffee table, it's a game changer for your smart home. Have you ever thought about a coffee table that can move up and down by itself? While adjustable height tables are common, it's a whole new ballgame for a coffee table. The first of its kind to feature automatic height adjustment. It can change its height from 29.5 inches, perfect for working, down to 20.07 inches for those relaxing moments. This combination of functionality and cutting-edge design makes it ideal for modern smart homes. One of the standout features of the Opula Smart Coffee Table is its 27-inch 4K HD screen that can tilt up to 75 degrees. This ensures you get the best viewing angles, whether you're working, drawing, or watching your favorite shows. Opula is powered by a formidable AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS mini PC, delivering top-notch performance for all your needs. Whether you're gaming, working on high-end professional tasks, or indulging in creative pursuits, this mini PC is your secret weapon. With 8 cores and 16 threads of processing power, it ensures ultra-smooth and immersive experiences. But that's not all. Opula features Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity and dual built-in high-quality speakers, providing an exceptional audio experience. Opula incorporates anti-pinch technology to ensure curious fingers don't get caught while the table is moving. Set the mood with Opula's sleek ambient lighting, which infuses your space with a cool, futuristic vibe. So if you're ready to elevate your living space and embrace the pinnacle of smart coffee table technology, Opula is the way to go. Let's dive now into something truly extraordinary, the all-in-one marvel that is the Lock One. This device is about to revolutionize your outdoor experiences, packing a ton of advanced features into a sleek, lightweight package. Let's dive in and see what makes Lock One a must-have for adventurers and fitness enthusiasts alike. First up, let's talk about AR data visualization with Lock One. You can visualize your data like never before. Whether you're tracking your sports performance or navigating new terrains, the augmented reality capabilities bring your data to life right in front of your eyes. It's precise, it's accurate, and it's incredibly cool. Is it sports data tracking and recording? This device is perfect for monitoring your outdoor journeys with real-time stats. You can keep track of your speed, distance, calorie expenditure, and workout duration with ease. For cycling enthusiasts, Lock One goes the extra mile by seamlessly connecting with heart rate monitors and pedal sensors, providing you with real-time data for a more tailored experience. And when you're done, exporting your data is a breeze, allowing you to fine-tune your fitness strategies and showcase your achievements. But Lock One doesn't stop there. It's also a powerhouse when it comes to capturing memories. With 4K video shooting capabilities, you can capture breathtaking photos and videos of unparalleled quality. Navigating uncharted terrain has never been easier. Lock One's advanced navigation features help you confidently explore new paths. The device provides precise and convenient navigation, so you can focus on enjoying your adventure without worrying about getting lost. And let's not forget about entertainment. With music playback functionality, Lock One lets you enjoy your favorite tunes on the go. No need to carry multiple gadgets anymore. This device does it all. Weighing only 80 G, Lock One substitutes bike computers, sports cameras, and Bluetooth earphones, making it the ultimate all-in-one device for your outdoor activities. The design of a Lock One is sleek and lightweight, making it incredibly easy to carry. It's designed to be your perfect companion for any outdoor activity. So if you're ready to elevate your outdoor fitness and adventure experiences, look no further than Lock One. It's your all-in-one solution for tracking, recording, navigating, and enjoying every moment of your journey. Let's discover a powerhouse of a gadget that's set to revolutionize the way you charge your devices. Introducing the Shargeek 170 where mighty charging meets sleek design. Let's get into what makes this power station a must-have for your tech arsenal. First off, let's talk about its standout design. Inspired by Pink Floyd's timeless masterpiece Dark Side of the Moon, the Shargeek 170 boasts a unique transparent prism silhouette. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's a piece of art that houses exquisite engineering. Charging has never looked so stylish, but the Shargeek 170 isn't just about looks. It's ultra fast and incredibly efficient, always ready to power up your devices when you need it most. With a maximum output of 170 W and a single port output of up to 140 W, this power station can charge your devices in no time. Imagine getting from 0% to 50% in just 20 minutes. Plus, the pass-through charging feature means you can power your devices while the Shargeek itself is being recharged. Talk about convenience. The Shargeek 170 is packed with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, allowing you to fast charge up to 3 devices at once. Even with all ports in use, you still get up to 65W fast charging from either USB-C port. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety. Unlike other power banks that start degrading after a few hundred cycles, the Shargeek 170 maintains over 80% capacity even after 800 plus charges. The Shargeek 170 also comes with a smart display that gives you a visible and controllable charging experience. You can monitor the charging status and manage your power usage with ease. Plus, its all-round safety design includes water resistance, ensuring that your power station is protected against the elements. Experience the speed of the future with the Shargeek 170. It's more than just a power bank, it's a game changer in the world of charging technology. Get ready to charge with style and efficiency like never before. Let's dive now into the alien world of advanced home networking with the elegantly designed Amplify Alien. This revolutionary Wi-Fi 6 router is here to transform your home internet experience. Let's explore how Amplify Alien can take your connectivity to the next level. First off, let's talk about what makes Amplify Alien so special. With the power of Wi-Fi 6, this router increases your network capacity by 4x and boosts your coverage by 2x. That means stronger, more reliable connections throughout your home. Plus, it reduces battery drain on your mobile devices, giving you longer-lasting performance on the go. Amplify Alien is equipped with both two 4/5 GHz Wi-Fi 6 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi 5 radios. These deliver a whopping total capacity of 7,685 megabits per second and 16 spatial streams from a single unit. Whether you're streaming 4K videos, gaming online, or handling multiple smart home devices, Amplify Alien has got you covered with blazing fast speeds. One of the coolest features of Amplify Alien is its ability to easily mesh multiple units over the air. This means you can build virtually unlimited Wi-Fi capacity in your home, ensuring that every corner of your house has strong, reliable internet. The vibrant touchscreen display on each unit provides instant network status and controls, making it super easy to manage your network. For added convenience, you can set the display and the green LED ring to automatically turn off, ensuring that your Amplify Alien blends seamlessly into your home environment without any distractions. The Amplify Alien isn't just powerful, it's also secure. It features a single gigabit internet interface and an internal power supply, ensuring a clean and clutter-free setup. Utilizing MU-MIMO and OFDMA technologies, Alien communicates across 12 Wi-Fi 6 spatial streams, eliminating dead spots and increasing total home network capacity by 4 times. It also offers a separate 5 GHz radio with Wi-Fi 5 802.11ac speeds, which you can dedicate to performance-critical devices, avoiding bandwidth competition with other devices on your network. So if you're looking to elevate your home internet experience with the latest in Wi-Fi technology, the Amplify Alien is the perfect choice. Enjoy faster speeds, greater coverage, and seamless connectivity throughout your home. Let's have a look into a game-changing piece of technology that's revolutionizing home fitness. The beautifully designed home fitness mirror with hyper-personalized training on demand. Say hello to your very own personal trainer and gym, right in the comfort of your home. Let's explore what makes this fitness mirror a must-have for your workout routine. First up, let's talk about the revolutionary Reflect AI registered trademark artificial intelligence and body tracking. This technology brings real-time rep counting, form correction, and weights guidance, ensuring you get the most out of every workout. Imagine having a hologram trainer appear in Ultra HD on the mirror, guiding you through each exercise with amazing lifelike form. It's like having a personal trainer right there with you, but even better. The fitness mirror offers tailored programs and content designed to help you achieve your specific goals, whether it's losing weight, toning up, or gaining muscle. The Reflect AI registered trademark scores the quality of your technique, helping you improve your form with every rep. Your personalized dashboard tracks everything from form quality and calories burned to reps achieved, class score, weight, and time. You'll always be on track and motivated to reach your fitness goals. The AI tracking technology provides live feedback as you work out. Your trainer shouts real-time corrections into your position, pace, and range of motion, ensuring you maintain perfect form throughout your session. This live feedback is invaluable, helping you avoid injuries and maximize your workout efficiency. Currently, the Fitness Mirror offers a range of 4-week programs with 3-4 workouts each week. These programs are led by world-class athletes and personal trainers who bring their unique styles and techniques to your living room. Each workout is powered by Reflect AI trademark, providing live feedback, rep counting, and hyper-personalized form correction in real time. If you prefer quick, high-intensity workouts, there are also a variety of one-off classes available. Choose from 15-minute, 30-minute, and 45-minute sessions covering HIIT, core, cardio, and conditioning. These classes are perfect for those days when you want to jump straight into a workout and get your heart pumping. And there's more exciting news. In the future, the Fitness Mirror will introduce more sports coaching, including football, golf, tennis, dance, boxing, and yoga, all with the help of celebrity athlete partners. This means you'll have access to top-tier coaching for a wide range of sports and activities right at home. So if you're looking to elevate your home fitness routine with cutting-edge technology, the Home Fitness Mirror with Reflect AI registered trademark is the perfect solution. It's your personal trainer, form coach, and motivator all rolled into one sleek device.